Okay, going out of our garage to see how much snow was dropped overnight. Oh boy. That's at least, oh my gosh. I guess we're gonna have to like shovel out a path and then get the snowblower to, before it piles up too much. Let's see what the measurement is. It's gonna use the tape measure. So right there, it's just under 2 feet at that point, but it
gets deeper further out.
Yeah. Okay, time to get to work. Well, getting over to the Buzzy Garden would be kind of hard. That's our car. I haven't seemed to have made very much progress, but we gotta at least try to get it clear so that the car can get out if there was an emergency.
Damn.
You made a trench. I have to get our bees open so they can have air circulation, because it's not good for them to be the entrance to the hive to be that buried. So Ed's going down there and we'll try to make a path so we can check it regularly. It's our beautiful bees, tucked in cozy, but they need to be able to do cleansing flights and get air ventilation. This is the snow mountain from the trucks, the snow plows. So the snow blower can't handle it. It's more compact, so we're both just gonna dig as much as we can out so that we can get the car out. Our dog is at the kennel, and we were supposed to get her today, but we couldn't even get out. So she'll stay another night, but we're supposed to get even more snow tomorrow, so I don't know. I miss my dog, but at least she's safe in the kennel. They're not on a hill, so she's warm and there. I just miss my dog. They have been plowing, but you can see our hill right down there getting up that crest is quite steep. And that's where we got stuck yesterday coming home. After all that trouble and drama on the freeway and all those hours and whiteout and blizzard and all the rest of it, that's where we got stuck, right down there. So thankfully we were helped and we could get in our driveway, but as you can see, it's just so much snow.